How to add a vanilla Visa gift card to an Apple Wallet. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, launch the Wallet app on your device and further locate the Apple Cash option from the home page. Further, locate and tap on the More option situated in the top right corner of the interface. Now, tap on the Add Money feature and then input the desired amount for the reload. You can then go ahead and select the Add button and provide the necessary details for the Vanilla Visa gift card. You can also try to validate the transaction using Face ID, Touch ID, or by entering a designated passcode. So, this is how you can add a Vanilla Visa gift card to an Apple Wallet. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.